to another video. Today I've got another unboxing. In here should be a 90s Henry, I believe. The box doesn't feel very well packaged at all, if I'm honest. I can feel the Henry rattling around inside, which isn't too good. How the hell do we get into this? I really don't know. An odd box, this one. Alright. Okay. So, that's coming out there. Yeah, there's no packaging in here whatsoever. Anyway, here is the Henry. Managed to get this on eBay. 15 quid. And yeah, it looks in quite good condition. I believe it was listed as spares or repairs. There's no filter in it. And yeah, it's just a green 1997 Henry, really, with the outlined writing. Anyway, we'll plug it in quick, although on second thoughts I don't think I will. The cable is quite battered, so I don't know if you can see it there. But yeah, that cable isn't in the best condition, so we won't be plugging it in this video. But anyway, there we go. It's pretty clean, good condition, really. And yeah, it should clean up alright. So anyway, there we go. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.